Hello everyone. In this video we're going to do a cost comparison method for capacity decision making, and we'll be using data from example 6.1. So here we have a fishing company which wants to send fresh seafood to its customers in a nearby city. The logistics manager of the company has identified three different shipping alternatives. The first option is to call a common carrier each time a shipment is ready to go. Common carrier would be a trucking company, for example. This alternative will have no fixed cost, but the variable cost per shipment would be $750. It means that when the fishing company will have the fish ready to be dispatched to its clients in nearby city, they will just call the common carrier, and common carrier will provide a truck. And then fishing company will load the truck, and then common carrier will deliver the fish to the client, and they will charge $750 per shipment. Option 2 is a contract carrier. This is somehow similar to common carrier, but here fish company agrees to pay yearly fixed charge of $5,000, and local carrier agrees to make all deliveries at $300 variable cost. This is basically a commitment from both sides to work with each other. Finally, option 3 would be to lease 3 trucks, and here fish company will have $21,000 fixed amount annually, and variable cost will be $50 just to cover fuel expenses and driver salary per shipment. So here in this Excel table, we're going to use our total cost formula to do simulation based on the number of shipments. Let's quickly remember our formula. It says total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost times the amount of business activity. We come back to our file, and let's assume that we will have 10 shipments. And here we're going to calculate our total cost for each alternative. We start with common carrier. Type equal fixed cost for common carrier plus variable cost for common carrier times the number of shipments. Let's fix the cell, and we drag the formula. By the way, I fixed the cell just to make sure that when I drag my formula, my reference here will remain. So finally, by changing the amount of shipments, I can do a little simulation just to see at what number of shipment which carrier has the lowest cost. For example, I can type 20 here, then I see that this alternative makes sense. If I type 80, then we can see that leasing actually has the lowest cost.